Hi, welcome to Webby Tutorials. In this video, I'd like to show you how to create administrative users and assign them different roles. Webby allows you to create multiple users and assign them different roles, such as store manager, inventory manager, or marketing manager. Each user can be assigned certain permissions so he or she can perform their tasks accordingly. To create administrative users, we will have to first create roles that needs to be assigned to different users. To create roles, we will have to go to Settings and tap on Administrative Roles. As you can see, we don't have any current role, so let's go and create a new role. Once we're on this screen, we will need to provide certain information such as title of the role and any description about it. Once we have all the information, then we will have to go to permissions and assign certain permissions to this role. As this person is a store manager and will be responsible for the entire operations, I would like to assign him all the permissions. I can click check all. So this person can add, remove products, add banners, create multiple users and assign them different roles. And save. Now we have successfully created a role, so let's go ahead, create a user and assign this role to the user. To create a new user or edit an existing one, we will have to go to Settings and tap on Administrative Users. As we can see, we don't have any existing users here, so let's go ahead and create a new user. Once we're on this screen, we will need to provide certain information such as name, like store manager, email, and create a new password. Once we have all the information, then we will have to assign the role that we just created. In this case, we have store manager and save. We have successfully created a new user and assigned him a new role. Now this person can log in and perform his duties accordingly. Thank you for watching and happy selling.